Good morning everyone, my name is Naitik Yadav and I am a student of PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Ordnance Factory Itasi. Currently I am studying in 9th standard and today I am here to narrate one story which is based on a theme Faith Leads to Achievements. This story is written by me, so let's get started. Wake up Abhi, it's already 8 am. You will be late for the interview, his mother called out to him. Abhimanyu woke up with a start at the voice of his mother. This interview held a very important spot in his life and he was already getting late. He quickly got ready and ran out of his house, his mother shouting behind him to at least finish his breakfast. But today, he least cared about it. Abhimanyu Yadav, a 28 years old science graduate from a remote village in Haryana, was a bright student since his childhood. His father was a local cloth merchant who had to travel most of the time for the sake of his business. The way Abhi was fondly called by everyone was the only child to his parents. His parents did everything possible in their part to provide Abhi with everything he needed. He was a bright student since his childhood. He had seen his parents struggle at times yet supporting each other in the best way possible. While growing up, he saw a very bad practice in his village that girls were not allowed to study. He thought that he will change this practice when he grew up. At that time, he came to know about civil services examination. So he realized that by becoming an IAS officer, he could stop such wrong practices. After completing his graduation, he wanted to go for IAS coaching. Everything was going as planned, but maybe God always has some better plans for us. The outbreak of the deadly COVID-19 took a massive toll in everyone's life, and Abhi and his parents were no exception either. This affected Abhi's father's business as well as shattered Abhi's dreams. The protocols didn't allow him for going coaching classes, and his father's health was also deteriorated. Torn between his career and family responsibilities, Abhi spent day after day sitting on the rocks beside the river and often laments about his luck. Finally, he decided to take over his family responsibilities and starts investing his time in his father's business. But he did not give up on his dreams of becoming an IAS officer. He starts doing online business and simultaneously joined some online courses. Whenever he was not doing any work, he dedicated his time in reading books. Even after so many hardships, he did not lose his hope and faith in God. The most important thing was he believed in himself. Gradually, his father's health condition was getting better. With his father again by his side, now Abhi was able to dedicate more time to his studies. That's why he was able to clear his prelims and mains examination and goes for the interview. He have even starts giving free tuitions to the poor student of his village. He patiently waits for the result and is optimistic. Finally, the results are out and we get one of the youngest IAS officer of our country, Abhimanyu Yadav. His story taught us that no matter what hardships we face, be optimistic and believe in yourself. Success will be yours. That's all for today. Thank you.